Welcome to the Ford F-450. Super Duty isn't just a truck, it's a statement of power, capability, and luxury. Built for those who demand the most from their vehicles, the F-450 is a true workhorse designed to handle heavy-duty tasks while offering premium comfort on the road. Under the hood, it's powered by a massive 6.7-liter Power-stroke V8 turbo diesel engine, delivering incredible torque and towing capacity. Whether it's hauling massive trailers or navigating rugged terrain, the F-450 handles it all effortlessly. It's not just about raw strength, it's about refined performance. Step inside, and you're met with the surprisingly luxurious interior. The limited trim, in particular, is packed with high-end materials, leather-wrapped surfaces, real wood accents, and a panoramic sunroof. It rivals luxury SUVs when it comes to comfort and style. The advanced infotainment system, digital cluster, and premium sound system turn every drive into a high-end experience. But the F-450 isn't just built for luxury, it's a serious tool for serious work. With best-in-class towing technology, trailer sway control, adaptive cruise control, and a massive payload capacity, it's engineered for professionals who need reliability without compromise. What makes the F-450 stand out is that it blends utility and luxury like no other truck. It's not just a tool, it's a lifestyle choice for those who want the best of both worlds. Whether you're a contractor, rancher, or simply someone who appreciates serious muscle on wheels, the Ford F-450 Super Duty delivers on every front. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's built to dominate the road. If you're looking for a truck that goes beyond expectations, this is it. The Ford F-450 Super Duty.